Second activity is making objects by combining different shapes. Let's use our previously drawing 3 shapes to draw a circus tent. To make it, we have to stack all 3 shapes on one another. Let's first take the cone on top of the cylinder. To do that, make sure that the cone is selected. Now let's bring the cone back in the center by making its X, Y and Z location 0. We have to bring the cone on top of the cylinder, so go to the viewpoint and select the X. This will give us the view of all 3 shapes from X direction. To bring the cone on the top, we have to change the Z value under location section of the cone. We have to move the cone by 2 boxes. Each box represents 1 meter. So go in the object properties and change the Z value by 2. This will stack the cone exactly on the top of the cylinder. Similarly, we have to stack the sphere on the top of the cone. Let's bring the UV sphere to the center by changing Y location to 0. To move the sphere on top, we have to change Z value to 3. And it's done, but the size is big. Let's make it smaller. Again, go to the object properties and under the scaling option change the X, Y and Z value 0.2. Our tent is complete. To save this file, press Ctrl plus Shift plus S. Browse the location. Name the file as tent.blend and click on Save As button.